Leo and the Painting of Dreams. Leo loved to paint. One day, he discovered a blank canvas in his attic. Inspired, he began to paint his dreams, a world full of color, laughter, and adventure. As he painted, something magical happened. The paintings began to glow and come to life. Leo watched in amazement as his painted characters jumped off the canvas, inviting him to join their adventures. Together, they traveled to magical forests, explored underwater kingdoms, and soared through the skies. Leo realized that his imagination was limitless. When he returned to his room, he decided to share his art with friends. They gathered for an art party, where everyone painted their dreams. As their creations filled the walls, the room sparkled with joy. Leo learned that art is a powerful way to express feelings and share dreams with others. From that day on, he inspired his friends to explore their creativity, proving that imagination can create beautiful connections. Leo realized that when we share our dreams, we can paint a brighter world together.